Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can access bookmarks in Safari on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. If you can't find it on the home screen, you can open it in the app library. In here, to open up the bookmarks, tap on the bookmark icon at the bottom. And at the top here, tap on the bookmarks icon. When you open, it could be in reading list, so you want to tap on the bookmarks icon. In here, tap at the top here, you can see at the moment it is already in favorites, so I can tap on the back key to go back to the bookmarks homepage. And in here, I've got two bookmarks that I have added, and I can open up the bookmarks folder from favorites. If I tap on favorites, then in here I have several bookmarks along with a bookmark folder. And to open up the bookmark page, just tap on it and that will open up your bookmark page. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.